Hi, it's Katie here. Love the Beep 444, and I got a request from my friend Gianna. You know, the one in me force feigning and whatever videos. She requested me to burp on YouTube.
Except to a song, to like a word.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
You just burped out of nowhere.
I know. I'm gonna sing to just.
Or just be like, "How dare you!"
Yeah, I'm gonna like say one word while burping. So please comment and tell your friends about us.
Katie, say, "How dare you!"
I'll say how dare. No, I'm gonna sing the song. Okay, here it goes.
Just say, "How dare you!"
Gianna. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
No.
What did you say?
Okay. So please comment and
What did you
maybe I'll do it twice. Okay, here it goes again.
Say, "How dare you!" That was funny. Do it.
Fire!
Hey, butter. Wait, I got Gianna. Let me see it. So please comment and please like and subscribe, please, and also tell your friends about us. And we accept requests, so email lovethebeeps444 and we'll accept it. And please watch our next video where we will be dumping our heads in ice cold water. Okay, thanks. Bye.
What is the most